It's already 10:38, Holy Thursday, and officially sarado na ang resto actually. Pero binuksan namin ang bar kasi medyo may mga tao pa rin. Ayan, fully booked ang Oslo New Village tonight. Is that tsura mo? Thank you God. Fully booked kami. And marami ring nag-order dito sa restaurant. And it's Ladies Night Thursday. Kaya may free cocktail. This is Cosmopolitan. And Dada is having mango margarita. Cheers. This is Cosmo, and what is this drink?